Hello guys, for today's video is nasa grade 9 Luna tayo. So today's lesson is 6 trigonometric ratios. So dito is nag-explain ako kung paano ba mahanap yung tatlong sides ng isang right triangle. The opposite side, the adjacent side, and hypotenuse na side. So dyan in-explain ko dyan. Pero before natin i-explain, transition muna tayo sandali sa gym. So for today's gym workout is nag-back workout tayo. So tawag dyan sa back workout na yan is lat pull down. So it's 30 kilograms, 15 reps. So yan, lat pull down yan. Yan, so 15 reps yan lahat. Then after ng lat pull down, balik tayo sa klase natin sa section Luna. So dyan in-explain ko paano ba mahanap yung opposite side, hypotenuse side, and then adjacent side. So para mahanap yung hypotenuse side is hanapin mo lang yung right angle, opposite siya ng right angle. Then yung opposite side naman is nasa opposite sa given angle. Then yung adjacent side is ka-adjacent sa given na angle. So yan, medyo nalilito yung mga students natin dyan, pero balik tayo sa gym muna before I explain. So same pa rin yan, lat pull down, pero yung bar as you notice nasa likod na. Pero commonly ang tinatamaan yan is yung shoulder. So di ko alam kung makikita or matatamaan ba yung lat natin, lat muscle dito sa back. So comment down below na lang. So dito na guys, yan, naka-label na yung hypotenuse side ko, yung 5 na measurement. Then next naman dyan is nilabel ko yung opposite side. Yan, ka-opposite ng given angle A. So yan, which is the 3. So yun yung opposite natin na side. So yan, pag label ko dyan is opposite side. So kita naman yung writing, no? Pero naka-mirror lang kasi yan. Then yung remaining side natin, which is the 4, is our adjacent side. Then next, transition na ulit tayo. So dito sa dito sa next natin is ano yan, row, cable row. So still 15 15 reps, then 30 kilograms. So yan, focus tayo kahit yung iba nagchichismisan. So yan, it's a cable row, 15 reps yan, 30 kilograms. So balik tayo dito sa sa klase natin. So dyan, since meron na tayong label sa ating opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse side, so we can now give the 6 trigonometric ratio. So nag-start tayo sa sine A, which is the ratio is 3/5. Then cosine A, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, is 4/5. Then next dyan is tangent A is equals to opposite over adjacent, 3/4. Then dito tayo guys, transition tayo sa back workout. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung anong tawag dito sa machine or equipment na ginagamit ko, basta this workout na equipment is pang back workout to. So comment down below lang guys kung anong tawag dito sa workout na to. Basta for sure it is a back workout. Then after ng mga back workout natin guys, yan, back workout muscle flex. So muscle flex yan. So yan lang guys. So see you to the next video. Follow, subscribe, like, share, and comment. So see you next video. Thank you so much.